I used to spend the whole day deep cleaning or feel like I was cleaning nonstop, but really never caught up. And no matter how much I did, the house still didn't feel done after I'd done all of that cleaning. I felt like I was still going, and this was really exhausting for me. I felt like cleaning was taking over my entire life, and I am more than just a cleaner in this house. Honestly, it was stealing my energy from the things that I actually wanted to do, like spending time with friends or hanging out with my kids. And that's when I realized the problem actually wasn't me. The problem was my lack of a system. I needed something to support all the things I needed to get done, including cleaning. So now I clean with what I call theme days. So each day of the week has a task. For example, Mondays is floors. That's where I sweep, vacuum, and mop the big areas. I use Truly Free floor cleaner because it's non-toxic and safe, and it works across surfaces, so I can clean the tile floor and the wood floor without having to switch out bottles. Tuesday is linens and my laundry. I strip the beds, I wash the bedding, and I do my own laundry separate from everyone else in the house. Wednesday, bathrooms. I scrub sinks, wipe the mirrors, and I deep clean the bathtubs and the toilets. Thursday, that's the kitchen. I deep clean the fridge, wipe the cabinets, and reset the counters, and even clean out the garbage disposal and run the dishwasher through its own deep cleaning cycle. Truly Free also has cleaners for those too, so the entire kitchen feels fresh without toxic chemicals. Friday, I actually give myself the day off from deep cleaning on Friday. I don't want to have to clean every day, remember? Saturday, I pick back up. It's bathrooms again. I also do the kids' laundry because honestly, we already know how quickly kids' laundry adds up. And then on Sundays, I just do light resets. So we're ready to start the next week because theme days are going to pick back up again on Monday. Now, here is really the difference that made for me and my household. Using this system means I only spend 15 to 30 minutes a day cleaning instead of all day. I'm not wasting the entire day scrubbing or cleaning endlessly without feeling like I didn't finish anything. And the best part, this is flexible. So if you're a mom like me, you have older kids, they can actually jump in and follow the system too. If you have someone who comes in to help you out by cleaning, then they can jump right into your rhythm. That saves you time, energy, and even money because nobody has to double up on the work. You don't have to go behind someone else cleaning, and they don't have to come behind you because that work is already done. So because of this and using Truly Free products, I know I'm not filling my home with any harsh fumes or chemicals, and I'm also not wasting time cleaning all the time. Now my home feels constantly clean, and I don't have to sacrifice my energy or my family's health to get there. So if you're like me and you'd prefer to spend your time doing things you actually enjoy instead of feeling like you're cleaning endlessly, try this theme day system. Let us know how it works for you.